Winter gift, health effects of dry fruits. As winter comes, it also brings with it the gifts of this season. While the consumption of dry fruits increases in winter, most of the people are afraid of the fat content in them. But don't worry, nuts, especially almonds, contain healthy fats, which are good for the heart and cholesterol. The various vitamins present in them have positive effects on physical health as well as its beauty. However, did you know that consuming a handful of dry fruits daily, especially almonds, has amazing health benefits? Nutrients found in dry fruits are well absorbed, and the medical benefits of eating them are obtained without any harm. If a person is suffering from allergy due to dry fruits, he should follow the doctor's instructions. Peanuts. Peanuts are an excellent source of vitamin E, niacin, folic acid, protein, and manganese. They also provide resveratrol, a colorless aromatic oil that is an antioxidant also found in red grapes. Walnut. Not only do walnuts look brain-friendly, but they are also good for the brain when eaten raw with the skin on. The upper whitish layer of the shell may be slightly bitter in taste but is rich in phenolic antioxidants, while the rest of the brain-shaped berry is rich in magnesium, vitamin E, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Almonds. The brown skin on top of almonds contains organic compounds called tannins that resist nutrient absorption. If shelled almonds are soaked in water overnight, they release an enzyme, protein enzyme, that is useful in digesting fat, controlling blood pressure, while also strengthening muscles and bones. Comes. Almond milk and butter are also recommended as alternatives to animal products. Almond milk and butter contain neither cholesterol nor lactose, the sweetener in milk, and you can easily prepare it at home with the help of a blender. Both are rich in protein and contain more fiber, calcium, potassium, iron, and magnesium than dairy alternatives. Cashew. If cashew nuts are soaked overnight, they also turn into milk or butter. 1 cup of unsweetened cashew milk contains only 25 calories, 2 grams of fat and OG saturated fat. On the other hand, 1 cup of cashews has 615 calories. In whatever form they are consumed, they are great for the skin and protect against sun damage. They are rich in soluble fiber and magnesium, potassium, iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, and selenium. Cashews are also known for their presence of an important flavonoid antioxidant, zeaxanthin, which is beneficial for the eyes. Pistachios. Pistachios are the green diamonds in the crown of dry fruits. Undoubtedly healthy, they contain a high amount of protein compared to other dried fruits, while being very low in fat and calories. Plain and unsalted pistachios contain plenty of potassium and phosphorus but no sodium, salt, which is good news for people with high blood pressure. Pine nuts. Pine nuts are not only the most expensive item available in the market but also dirty the hands, but still its taste is very hard to resist. Like most legumes, they are heart-healthy, energy-boosting, and rich in several vitamins and minerals.